Guys, what's up? I think today is day 1 or day 2 perhaps in Surabaya. Today in Surabaya is very hot. Yeah, and it's windy. Really windy. And today is Monday, December 18. It is 12:50 p.m. It's really hot here. Hey guys, right now I'm in a restaurant and it's kind of weird because I'm the only one here who's talking in front of a camera, and I'm with my mom and with my mom's friends too. So yeah, it's kind of awkward because I'm the only one who's still young here, but it's good. Guys, I just finished my lunch and I feel like I'm so full. So, speaking about Surabaya, Surabaya is hotter than Solo and it's more dry than Solo. I was just last night got here and right now I feel that my skin is so dry. I'm here like not almost 24 hours, but I feel like my skin is already dry, like really dry. But I'm glad I could still use my matte lipstick because last year when I'm here at Surabaya, I feel like I really cannot use my matte lipstick because it's really dry and I only can use my lip balm. So I'm very thankful that right now I still can use my matte lipstick. Oh wow, so dark. Should I turn on the flash? Okay. Guys, Surabaya is very rainy. Start from the afternoon, I guess. From 1 p.m. it was very rainy and windy at the same time. So, it was kind of crazy and pretty scary to drive in that situation. So yeah, I'm telling you, Surabaya is even more rainy than Solo, I guess. So in the morning to 11 or 12 p.m. Sorry. 11 to 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. It was so hot but windy at the same time. But in 1 p.m. into more afternoon into evening, like right now, I think it's 6 p.m. or maybe 6:30 p.m. It's getting rainy and also windy at the same time. So yeah,